Part 1. Good morning. My name is Catherine Brown. What's your full name, please?
Good morning. My name is Samuel Hayes.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you, Samuel. Now, I'd like to ask you a few questions about career goals. Do you have clear career goals?
Yes, I do. I've thought a lot about my future and I have a clear idea of what I want to achieve professionally.
When did you first start thinking about your career?
Probably in high school. That's when I started understanding my strengths and interests,
What influences people's career goals?
personal interests, family advice, market trends, and financial expectations influence career goals.
Do you think career goals change over time?
Yes, definitely. As people gain more experience, their goals often evolve.
Should young people plan their careers early?
It's helpful, but they shouldn't feel pressured. Exploring different options is also important.
Part 2. Thank you. Now, I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for about 2 minutes. Your topic is describe your professional goals. You should say what your goals are, why you chose these goals, how you plan to achieve them, and explain why these goals are important to you. 1 minute preparation pause. All right, Samuel, please begin when you're ready.
My professional goals are quite clear to me, and I feel motivated every day to work toward them. My main goal is to become a project manager in the field of information technology. I've always enjoyed organizing tasks, solving problems, and coordinating people, so this role seems perfect for my skills and personality. The reason I chose this goal is because I find the world of technology fascinating. It changes quickly, and there is always something new to learn. I want a career that challenges me intellectually and allows me to grow continuously. Project management offers a balance of technical understanding, leadership, communication, and decision making, all things I'm passionate about developing. To achieve this goal, I have created a step-by-step plan. First, I'm focusing on improving my technical knowledge. I'm learning programming basics, understanding software development processes, and taking online courses related to IT systems. I believe that good project managers should understand the technical side, even if they are not coding every day. Second, I am building my leadership and communication skills. I've joined a student organization where I lead small teams, arrange events, and manage deadlines. These experiences help me understand how to work with different personalities and how to handle pressure. Third, I plan to complete a Project Management Professional (PMP) certification after gaining some work experience. This certification is globally recognized and will open better career opportunities for me. Finally, I want to gain hands-on experience by working as an assistant project manager or project coordinator. Real-world experience is extremely important, and I want to learn from senior professionals before taking full responsibility for large projects. These goals are important to me because they represent the kind of future I want. A future where I am confident, capable, and contributing meaningfully to a team. I want a career that offers stability but also challenges me enough to keep growing. Achieving these goals would give me a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Also, I want to make my family proud. They've supported me for so long, and I want to show them that their efforts were worthwhile. Having clear professional goals keeps me focused and motivated, and I genuinely believe I'm on the right path.
Thank you, Samuel. Part 3. Let's talk more about career goals. Why is it important to set career goals?
Goals give direction, help people stay motivated, and make it easier to measure progress.
Do most people achieve their professional goals?
Not always, but with consistency and adaptability, many people come close or find something even better.
Should career goals be realistic or ambitious?
A mix of both. Realistic enough to achieve, but ambitious enough to inspire growth.
How can people stay motivated toward long term goals?
By breaking goals into smaller tasks, celebrating progress, and reminding themselves why the goal matters.
Do career goals change after someone gets a job?
Yes, experience often shapes new aspirations, and people discover new interests or strengths.
Thank you, Samuel. That's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you very much.